Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to have a sneak peek into the Vegetables Growers Handbook by Huw Richards, and you can also see my review of his first book, Grow Food for Free. I will leave the link at the end of this video so you can watch both if you like. If you like to support a small channel like mine, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video. You can subscribe now and leave me some comments. I would highly appreciate it. And please excuse my hair. I've got still a bit of wet hair. I just came out from the shower, and I was trying the stinging nettle rinse for my hair. So you can see video about stinging nettles just there. And I will quickly flick through the book. You can see the nice pictures. Big section on how to grow every single vegetable. And I will tell you what sort of chapters are in the book, what you can expect. So let's look into each one. First one is about setting your garden goals, and he's talking about the necessity of diversity. Grow as many diverse plants and veggies as possible. This is what I'm also aiming for. Another chapter is skills for efficiency. I really like 5-minute fixes, so don't postpone things and read as often as possible and really do the 5-minute task. Something which doesn't take more than 5 minutes, do it. And you will feel you are on the top of things then, you know, when you let things build up. He's also talking about a gardener's notebook. It's a really good idea to have a notebook with you and just jot stuff down, or if you are visiting somewhere else, another garden, it gives you tips and ideas. So you think you will remember, but you won't. So really don't forget to have a gardener's notebook. Soil and compost. He is big advocate for Nordic gardening, and I am doing this method as well. So you don't dig the soil and you just apply compost on the top of it. A really big section about composting, how to create one, what should go in it. He is talking about chicken compost as well, hot composting, giving you some tips if the heap is not hot enough, how to make it like really hot and start composting. Chop and drop, I really like this one, and I am already doing this myself without realizing. So basically when you harvest stuff and they are sort of leaves you don't need, you just chop them and drop them back. You only apply thin layers. You don't apply anything really thick because it will attract slugs, and you don't want slugs there, do you? Then big section about seed starting and transplanting, organizing seeds. It's really funny because I think you will have a million seeds as I do, and he is giving you some organizing tips, and also I think everybody should go through their seeds at least once per year and really think of what you can get rid of, what you can give away, and what would you like to get. Every gardener loves trying new stuff. I certainly do. How to sow in modules, how to transplant, and transplanting tips. This is not really my favorite part, the transplanting. I really enjoy bringing stuff into life, but the transplanting stuff, I am a bit, sort of cautious because the seedlings are small and you don't know whether they will establish well, so it's a sort of a difficult time, but he's got really good tips and a section about direct sowing and how to grow crops. So he gives you loads of tips, and you've got a section about how to grow annuals, master growing chart, what should go in, what should go out, so you can really enjoy the growing season and be more self-efficient. Then we've got brassicas, legumes, roots and stems, alliums, salads, fruiting vegetables. Then we've got some troubleshooting, how to deal with pests, disease and prevention, mulches, frost protection, and the yearly service in the garden, productivity technique, succession planting, polyculture, the hungry gap. It's really good to have some plants during the hungry gap time. The monthly planting plan, how to work with shade. I'm sure everybody's got some shade in their garden. How you can go towards self-sufficiency, small space mindset, what can you do in the small space. And then we've got the herbs and flowers section, annual herbs, perennial herbs, nettles, why you should keep nettles in your garden. And yes, I left the link before to my nettle video, so make sure to check it out. Supportive flowers, which flowers can help you in your garden to attract bees and stuff like that. And community gardening, the gift of giving. I think what we enjoy the most is when you grow something yourself and you can give it to someone as a gift, so it's a real pleasure, and you feel sense of pride. Look what I've achieved, look what I've grown, sort of thing. And he's got really good point about pest control. I think our focus is really on how to kill slugs, how to kill snails, instead of like how to really deter them, what we can do to prevent them coming. And some pests, there will be always in your garden, so this is a sort of funny game. And here is an example how you can use bramble canes as a spiky barrier, which should deter slugs going after your lovely and tasty young seedlings. Really making sure you transplant your plant when they are strong and big enough, because slugs go after really young seedlings. How you can really get rid of the hiding spaces which really attract slugs. So I think it's just about changing the mindset. Overall, this is a fantastic book, and look at this, bursting with colors. This is what diversity looks like, and it's wonderful for the eyes. I wish I was there. If you'd like to get into organic gardening, this book is must, and it doesn't matter whether you are novice or you are a gardener with lots of experience, because This book will give you plenty of tips, and I think everybody will learn something new from it. I certainly did. And final words from Huw. Every gardener should really enjoy their creation. I really love when I sit back in the sort of summertime in the garden and just watch and observe, like what is growing, the colors, butterflies, bees and stuff like that. It's such a wonderful feeling, and I hope you do it too. I hope you find it useful. Please share with your friends and family. Spread some love. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me some comments. Did you read this book or did you read any of his books? What were the takeaways from it? Or are you gonna buy it? Did I intrigue you? I am really curious to know. That's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.